So now let's see how we can work around with jitter and lens dirt effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this clip right here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under effects right here, and then I'm going to go around and scroll down under grunts right here. And over here you can see that jitter and lens dirt is an option over here. If I were to go around and click and drag around the jitter over here onto this particular clip right here, then what happens is that you can see that there's different options. If I were to go around and press the play button right now, you don't actually see anything. But if I were to go around and change this around right here, now what happens is that you start seeing the jitter right here. So you can see that what happens is that there's a bit of jitter. You can go around and change around the jitter amount over here as well. And then you can change around the seed over here as well, so that there's much more jitter right there. So if I were to go around and play this out right here, then you can see that it's much more freezing right here, and there's much more jitter onto it right here. Similarly, what you can also do is you can go around and add in a bit of lens dirt effect right here. So if I were to go around and add this in over here just like this, then what happens is that you get the lens dirt effect, and there's some presets right here like filthy, like grudgy right here. There's like heavy, and there's subtle, as you can see right here. So there's different type of lens dirt effect. You can go around and change around this threshold as you like, and change around the intensity and the blur level as well, as you can see. And you can change around the pivot angle as well, and change around the level of blend right here. So let's say, for example, color DAWs or exclusive right here, or soft light right here, and so forth, hard light, and you get the effect accordingly, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the jitter and lens dirt effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.